Welcome back, learners. In chapter 4 we are studying models of an atom. So far we have studied Thomson model and Rutherford's model along with their limitation, which you also known as drawbacks. It's time to study Bohr's model of an atom. Let's start it. Look, Rutherford's nuclear model of an atom, although a great contribution to the science, could not explain certain observations. A brilliant description of atomic structure was proposed by Niels Bohr in 1913. Now we will understand the various postulates given by the scientist. Let's start. Students, in an atom, the electrons revolve around the nucleus in certain definite circular path called orbits or shell. Here in this diagram you can see the nucleus is at the center and some circular path has been shown in which you can find electron. These are your shell, or you can say them as orbits. Each shell or orbit correspond to a definite energy. Therefore, these circular orbits are also known as energy levels or energy shells. Now, the orbit or energy level in an atom are characterized by an integer n, where this n can be 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, any value. The integer n is called quantum number of the respective shell or orbit. The orbits are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. starting from the nucleus side. Here you can see them clearly. Thus, the orbit for which n is 1 is having lowest energy level. Now, students, the orbit corresponding to n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, these are also designated as K, L, M, N, etc. So you can see here on your screen that the first shell is known as K shell, then the second one L, third M, and fourth one N. So in this manner, the limitations of Rutherford's model were corrected by Bohr. Rutherford was not able to explain the stability of atom. Now Bohr's model fulfill it. Okay, according to Bohr's model, electrons are revolving in these shells without losing their energy when they are revolving in certain shell. And if electron accepts energy from some source, then it can go to some other levels, they are the excited levels, and then come back to its original position by losing energy, that is its ground shell. So these were the postulates and that model of an atom by Bohr. So that's all for today, students. Keep learning, keep asking.